Today's topic is classification of business process. How you can classify your business process. So in your business process, many tasks are there, many classes are there, like structured activities are there, means every person have their different task. You have to assign those tasks. So these types are called the structured activities. Next, task by peoples. All given tasks which are decided by the higher management, that will be given to the subordinates, means that every people have their different tasks. Next one is equipments, procedure, services. So every equipment have some procedure and their services are there, those are working properly or not. These are things are also coming in the classification of business processes. Next one is product and customer. Product are your tools, your products, your goods, and customers, those are taking your products. So these are the classification of business process. Now next point is, what are the benefits of business processes? Business process benefits are improve customer satisfaction. When you are taking all the activities, all the feedbacks from the customers, daily you have to give in some offers, some information to your customer. Every time you have to give the all services which are good for the customers. Like these type of things are coming business processes. So from this you can improve your customer satisfaction. If like this, you are taking one example, like if you got every time, if you are taking some laptops, okay, and after taking laptops, multiple times you got some messages from some offers by that company, from they are giving some information, some offers, some tools, that if you are taking these things, then it will be useful for you. And if they are giving some offers, like with the laptop you are taking some mouses and other accessories, then you are getting some this offers, and some new tools are coming related with your order, then these type of things are attracted to you, that company. So like this are the improving customer satisfaction. Next, according to philosopher, giving three types of business process. So first philosopher name is von Rosen. He gave three types of business process. First one is operational process, second one is manufacture and management process, and third one is supporting process. So operational process shows core business primary values, means core business means what is your main service, what is your main business. Like if you are taking banking sectors, then what is the main business of them? For the bank, the open account, or if some retailer organization, you are taking one example, then means taking orders from customers. So this is core business of related organization. So this is the primary value which you have to show. Next business process is management process. In the management process include corporate governance, budget, and employee overs. Means that in the management process you have to show the budget of any product, what are the corporate governance are there, what are the government rules are coming in your product, that will be going simultaneously according to the rules, regulations, and your employees also coming in that process. So if you are giving some product, that product will be made according to the legal wise, law wise, and you have to show the budgets also, and according to your that budget your employee also happy. Okay, so these are coming on the management process. Next one is supporting process. What are the supporting process? Core operational processes are coming, like accounting, like recruitment, like call centers. So what are the core activities in your organization that will be coming on the supporting process? So these are three types which are types of business process which are given by von Rossing. Next, these three types are according to the Kirchner. First one is operational, second is management, and third one is governance. So first one, operational, focus on the operational task, means get the things done. Whatever task of your department, of your organization, that has to be complete. This is coming on the operational. Next, management, operations conducted appropriately. Whatever task operations are there, that will be done according to all the things assure. Okay, so the assure efficient and effective work progress. Whatever you have to decided, that work is going according to your expectations. This is coming on the management part. Next one is governance ensure entity with legal regularization, guidelines and expectations, rules and guidelines for business success. Means all the legal activities, according to legal activities your product has to be made. All the operations are according to the legal regularization. Whatever guidelines are coming out from the governance, your product is done under that guidelines. So all the things will become under the rules and regulations. These are the business process types. Okay, so I hope this in this video you all understand about classification of business process. Thank you.